Hi group leaders. If you're using Google Meet for your online group, here's a short tutorial on how to host it. So what you're going to want to do is first open up a web browser. And you'll go to meet.google.com. You're going to want to hit sign in if you're not signed in already. And then type in your Calvary email address, your password, and verify your account with two-step. And you'll be brought to this page. This is the Meet homepage. If you're ready to start your meeting, you can go ahead and click Join or Start a Meeting here at the top. Give your meeting a name. Give your meeting a name. And then your browser may ask you to allow the use of a microphone and camera. So you want to go ahead and click Allow at the top left. And then click Join Meeting. Here you'll see a link that you can copy and paste and basically send to your group. And if you have any group members that won't be able to use video or don't have a computer to use, they can call in with this phone number and entering this PIN. So let's go ahead and copy this link. I'm going to make a new tab and email this to my group participants. And email this to my group. I'll click Send. And then just wait. And once your group participant clicks on the link, they'll be in the online group. All right, and that's it. Thank you so much for hosting small groups, and we hope to see you face to face real soon.